Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how the DHT11 sensor works with SmowCode. So a DHT11 sensor is a basic low cost temperature and humidity sensor which is used variously in weather stations and in home automation devices as well to adjust AC temperatures or fans or stuff like that. So it can measure temperature and humidity, and we'll see how it does that, and we'll print it on our serial monitor in this flow. So once again, this is one of the templates which is available on SmowCode, and you just need to go to open ESP32 templates and type DHT11 and this should pop up. As you can see, we have our flow. The first node is an on interval node. The top flow just blinks the internal LED of our ESP32, and the bottom one is where the DHT11 sensor is called. So we display reading temperature and humidity data from a DHT11 sensor connected to GPIO13. In our case, we are going to connect it to 19 because my circuit is that way. I'll show you the circuit as well. So as you can see, there is no external nodes required. There's just one node which directly you can use to get values from the DHT11 sensor. So let's see what the config and the parameters for this type of node are. So if you go to the properties, you see that we can put in the pin number, which is I put as 19. You choose the model. So there are various model which SmowCode supports. So I have a DHT11, so I'm gonna select that, but you can select whichever model you are using. Then you select the unit, whether you want to display it, whether you want to read the readings in Celsius or Fahrenheit. I'm gonna read it in Celsius, so I'll keep it as Celsius, and it's gonna give us two outputs. One is the temperature and the second one is the humidity. In the next display, we are gonna print it on the serial monitor. As you can see, the temperature and the humidity, and after that their respective values, which are returned from this node right here. So let's upload the code to our ESP32 and see the output. And I'll also show you my circuit. So here is a circuit. So this is quite a simple circuit. There are just three wires. The orange one, which is the VCC on the right side. Then you have the signal, which is the yellow wire, and the brown wire, which is the ground, and that's connected to V in ground and pin number 19, as we had mentioned on SmowCode as well. And as you can see, the internal LED is blinking, so our code is flashed on our ESP32. Let's see the serial monitor. Let's connect it and see the output. So as you can see, the temperature, room temperature is 31.29999, which seems pretty accurate, and the humidity is around 55.5. So this is how you use a DHT11 sensor using SmowCode and print out the values and the readings from it as well.